Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the Rogers Kakasungura YouTube channel. It is a chill morning on Saturday. Welcome on board. Keep subscribing. Make sure before you watch, you click the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notification bell. This is the only platform that speaks nothing but the reality based on evidence. We do not propel innuendos. And I want to thank each and every Kenyan who is putting his hand in growing this channel. I want to thank also my friends from Uganda and Tanzania and other African countries. May God really bless you. Back to today's politics. I do not understand why Kenya Kwan's government is so afraid on Raila Odinga's Monday holiday. I don't know why they're afraid. They're scared. I want you to play for you this video of Francis Atwoli. Atwoli's prophecy has come to pass. During the BBI launch, this is what Francis Atwoli said in front of William Samoei Ruto.
Tukufu Rais, ndugu yako Raila Amolo Odinga ni mmoja wao wale wa Kenya, and I should say he's the only one maybe after the late Matiba ambao wanaweza kupeana holiday outside government gazetted holiday. Kwa hiyo ndugu yako Mheshimiwa Tukufu Rais.
Just 2 days ago, while holding an Azimio rally, Raila Odinga said 20th of March 2023 will be a public holiday to allow Kenyans participate peacefully in a constitutional protests, because the constitution allows Kenyans to protest and picket peacefully, petition the grievances to the government. It's constitutional, it's allowed. So Raila Odinga said Monday will be officially a public holiday. This announcement has shaken the Kenya Kwanza government fraternity. Based on what Francis Atwoli said that time, that Raila Odinga is the only man in this world who is allowed to declare a public holiday, call for protests without facilitation, and people will turn up in millions. That is Francis Atwoli. Now, because Kenya Kwanza government is scared. Now, inajua, when Raila Odinga said Monday is a holiday, it will actually be a holiday. It will. Just wait and see. Raila declared Monday a holiday, and it will. Kenya Kwanza has facilitated the failed, the impeached Nairobi governor, Mike Sonko. Sonko has filed a case in court to challenge Raila Odinga's declaration that Monday will be a public holiday. If these guys are not scared, why move to court to stop Raila from declaring Monday a holiday? Unajua kuna vitu zingine ninaangalia kaka, nasema kweli mumefinywa. Mumefinywa pande zote. Mumefinywa bottom. Mumefinywa na up. There is nowhere to hide. There is nowhere to move to. Yani eti, a whole government is moving to court to challenge Raila's declaration. Yani, a whole yani serikali serikali iko na rais, serikali iko na naibu, serikali iko na military, serikali iko na polisi, ati naenda kotini kwenda stop Raila from declaring Monday a holiday. Hey, kweli, this confirms that yes, indeed, Raila Odinga is an institution. This confirms to the world that indeed Raila Odinga is a government. The man never jokes. So Mike Sonko has moved to court. And in court, he is saying, he is pleading, he is putting some prayers to the court. One, to stop Raila from declaring Monday a holiday. To stop. Yani, I don't know if you're getting this statement. Yani, Kenya Kwanza has facilitated Sonko. Sonko has moved to court with the following prayers. To stop Raila Odinga from declaring Monday a holiday. To stop him from, not to arrest him and charge him, to stop, yani, to bar him. Yani, in short, Sonko is trying to tell Kenyans that he has moved to court so that the court can plead with Kenyans not to take Monday as a holiday from Raila Odinga. That is the simple understanding. Because when Raila has declared Monday a holiday, Kisumu hakuna kazi, Migori hakuna kazi, Homa Bay Monday hakuna kazi, because ofisi zote zitafungwa. Those guys, they never compromise Raila Odinga's announcement. They will close business on Monday, including government offices, and they will go for a holiday, and there's nothing you will do about it. It will happen. So in short, Sonko has gone to plead with the court, to write to the Kenyans that please, Monday is not a holiday as Raila declared. Anyway, now, the High Court said the alleged procedures of declaring Monday a holiday, and Justice Hedwig Ongundi made a remark following the petition from former governor Mike Mbovi Sonko, who sued Raila Odinga, yes, for unlawfully. I have some documents here, so I will be referring to them because sometimes court matters are complicated. I must put exactly how the information is. Now, Sonko is suing Raila Odinga for investing powers in himself to declare a public holiday. The powers that are invested in the interior CS, that is Kithure Kindiki. Now, the holiday, according to Raila, it will allow Kenyans to peacefully attend the mass action protest scheduled in Nairobi to kick out the illegitimate Kenya Kwanza government, the failed Kenya Kwanza government, out of office. Now, this is what Justice Ongundi said. I have perused the pleadings and have not found any gazette notice by the cabinet secretary in charge of Interior declaring Monday a public holiday, as per Section 3 of the Public Holiday Act. Now, the judge further said that the case filed by Mike Sonko is of public interest. I like how this judge is sympathizing with Sonko. Justice Hedwig, I know this video will reach you wherever you are. Long live, sir. Long live. You are a man and a half. I like how you are sympathizing with Sonko. Yaani unajua kuna yule mtu unaenda, umewahi eleza mtu shida, umeenda kukopa pesa. Unaeleza mtu shida na aki pole. Okay, sasa unahitaji pesa ngapi? Aki, I only need like 10,000. Oh, wow. Pole sana. Yaani unafikiria atakupatia hiyo pesa. Yaani anakupeleka, ana sympathize na wewe. Anakuambia aki pole. Maisha ni magumu. Maisha yako hivyo. Sijui nini, utakuwa sawa. Nini. Wewe unafikiria anakupa pole akupatia pesa. Then finally, after sympathize with you anakuambia, hata mimi sina pesa. You get tired. Now, Justice Hedwig is sympathized with Sonko here. Namwambia, Sonko, yes, Sonko, This case is of great public interest. I know. It's of urgency. Akia daddy. This Kenya is not fair indeed. Even judges are tired of this nonsense from Kenya Kwanza government. Are tired of it. You know. Hey, then Hedwig Ongundi, she's a lady. Oh, sorry. Okay, najua imagine haza hii ya Uingereza hii. Sijui ni Hedwig. Ya wapi. Anyway, I'm told from this document, I'm told Justice Hedwig Ongundi is a lady. So I stand corrected immediately and apologize and withdraw the previous statement referring to her as a he. Now, I like how Justice Hedwig is sympathizing with Songo here. And she directed the pleadings to be served. All parties immediately. Raka, Songo, leta hizo. Serve them. This issue is of urgency. Patiana hiyo kitu. Now, in this case, Mike Songo had sued Azimio leader Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, Jeremiah Kioni, Martha Koome, former CS Eugene Wamalwa, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Coalition as a general, Wiper Democratic Party, George Wajakoya, former Governor Wycliffe Oparanya, CS Interior, Inspector General Police, and Attorney General. Those are the people that Mike Songo had sued. Now, Songo had sought orders prohibiting Odinga's team from declaring or stating Monday to be a public holiday, as I said. And also, he sought an order that the CS Kithure Kindiki issue directions to the IG to assist in the arrest of any of Raila Odinga's team. Nataka usikiza vizuri. Is not directing Raila to be arrested. So Raila ametolewa hapa. No, now Songo is confusing himself. Listen. Also, he sought an order that the CS Interior Kithure Kindiki issue direction to the IG to assist in the arrest of any of Raila's team. Not to arrest Raila. No, listen, sikiza hii kizungu. Not to arrest Raila, but arrest any of Raila Odinga, yani away from Raila, and anyone from his team should be arrested. You cannot arrest. How can you arrest a government? You can't arrest Raila. How? Watu wanaweza shikwa ni akina Wajakoya, Oparanya na wengine. But Raila cannot be arrested. He is unarrestable. If such English really exists. Or announcing Monday to be a public holiday and taking part in Azimio public demonstrations. How do you arrest people who are exercising their... Does Songo understand the Constitution? Chapter 1 of the Constitution, the sovereignty. Do you really understand, young man? How do you arrest people participating in their constitutional rights? How do you arrest people who are exercising the democratic rights of picketing and demonstrating, a right of free speech and expression? How do you arrest them? We should go back and read the Constitution once again. Now, in his case, Songo says declaration and public announcement by Raila Odinga are unlawful and were meant to incite law-abiding citizens into believing that Monday was an official declared holiday when is in actual fact it's not. People know Raila is not in government. People know Raila is not the CS of Interior. People know that Raila Odinga is not the president. The legitimately elected president. People know. People only know Raila as a president to 8 million Kenyans who voted for him. That's what Kenyans know. Raila is a president of 8 million clean Kenyans who voted for him in last year's August general election. So when Raila is declaring on Monday as a public holiday, there is no one who questions. The 8 million Kenyans will not go to work because their president has given them a holiday. You also, as Kenya Kwanza, go and announce to your 5 million Kenyans that Monday is not a holiday, they should turn to work. But as long as Raila leaves, Monday is a public holiday to 8 million Kenyans who believes in Raila Odinga and his ideologies. And we are unapologetic. According to Sonko, he says, the Constitution recognizes Madaraka Day that is observed on June 1st, Mashujaa Day that is observed on October 20th, and Jamhuri Day observed on December 12th. Sonko also explains that the entity constitutionally authorized, empowered to prescribe any other public holiday is Parliament through lawfully enacted legislation. And I quote, Raila has certainly not been delegated to whimsically announce and declare any day a holiday. His utterances of denigrating and abusing the presidency by calling President William Ruto an illegally elected president is a violation of the Constitution and which this court must bring to heel, Sonko says. Now let me ask you, Sonko. In 2007, when the same William Ruto, when he was the member of parliament of Eldoret North, he declared Mwai Kibaki as an illegitimate president. Why is he annoyed when Raila is referring to him as an illegitimate president? Huwezi panda njugu ukavune mahindi, unavuna ulichokipanda. Kama ulipanda kutangaza wengine as illegitimate, na wewe utavuna illegitimate. Now, with all this drama that Sonko has taken to court, asking the court to bar Raila Odinga from declaring Monday a holiday. Kuna kitu nataka muelewe hapa. The case from Mr. Sonko is not meant to block Raila from declaring holidays in future. No. Mr. Sonko's case is asking the court to bar Raila Odinga from declaring Monday out. This means this case could have been effective if the judge could have granted the orders before Monday. But now, because even the judges are tired of this government, because even the same government that favored him last year are tired of his theatrics, they have directed Mike Sonko that his case will be mentioned after Raila Odinga as a holiday. Judge amesema hii kesi ya Sonko itatajwa Tuesday, meaning the courts will not be operating on a Monday. I'm just reasoning from this. You know, analysis is using the available information to try and understand what could be happening. So, if the judge has directed Mike Sonko's case to be mentioned on Tuesday and the holiday is on Monday, that tells you that even the courts will have a holiday on a Monday, then come back on Tuesday to mention Mike Sonko's case. In short, without telling Sonko directly, hii kesi yake ilikuwa rendered null and void by saying it will be, sasa itakuwa mentioned on Tuesday. Na already public holiday imetangazwa Monday. Of what value will this case be on Tuesday, yet it's a case meant to block Raila? Of what value will this case be? Because it's a case that is meant to block Raila Odinga from declaring Monday a holiday. And this case has been taken to Tuesday. Of what value will this case be to Mike Mbovi Sonko and William Samoei Ruto, who is facilitating Sonko to go to court and bury or ban Raila Odinga? Yani, you know, this as well as telling Sonko, your case is just hot air. Koti iliambia Sonko hii kesi yako it's just hot air. Sisi kama koti Monday tutakuwa holiday, rudi hapa Tuesday tusikize hii ujinga yako. That is what court told him. Hata mimi, let me declare this as null and void, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, hii ni umama hii. This is womanship. Ni umama hii. Hii ni ile tunaita sasa umama. Hata sio ubaba, hata sio utoto. Hii ni umama tu. Sonko, pole ndugu. Koti imesema hii ni umama. Ni koti, sio mimi. Koti yako imesema hii ni professional umama. Wanaenda Monday holiday, alafu Tuesday watarudi kusikiza hii umama yako. Wasikie kama iko na maziwa ya kunyonyesha watoto wachanga. Umama. Umama. Hii ni umama. Hii ni umama hii. Asante sana mahakama for allowing Baba to declare Monday a holiday. Songa atarudi Tuesday after the holiday tusikize hiyo maneno yake. God bless you. Asanteni sana.